I will not go over every point in the course syllabus, especially as some are covered in other videos, but I do want to call your attention to a few critical ones. You need to go over them and the ones that I do not cover in this video very carefully, and to consult the syllabus periodically to make sure that you are following the requirements of the course. It might help to remember that the syllabus is, in effect, a contract that lays out your obligations, and mine. Please note, first, that I am available throughout the session by email, by phone, and in person. The projects, as indicated on the bottom of page 2 of the syllabus, make up the bulk of your course grade, 65%, with each project counting about 7%. But responses to classmates and summaries of your work equal an important fifth of your grade. The final project, in lieu of a traditional final exam, counts for the remaining 15%. Page 3 of the syllabus includes a reminder about the importance of keeping up with assignments and submissions. You have a great number of options for projects, so pick ones that match your time availability as well as your interest. Note the importance of not waiting to the last minute and the penalty for late projects. Students' responses to projects obviously depend on students submitting projects in a timely manner. If an unusual, serious situation looks likely to make a project submission late, you need permission from me in order to avoid the late penalty. Page 4 of the syllabus emphasizes the importance of a class community. This community depends on everyone's being engaged in submitting projects and responses by deadlines, but it also depends on everyone's completing the required assigned readings and films so that there is a shared base or foundation. Importantly, it also hinges on the tone of postings. Careful wording to show respect and consideration, even when disagreeing with someone's thesis or analysis. As we near the end of the information about course assignments on the syllabus, I want especially to call your attention to the fact that the Honor Code applies to all work. Ending all projects and responses with "I pledge" in parentheses indicates your adherence to the code. In terms of feedback, as indicated on the syllabus, I will reply to every project within 48 hours of submission, and usually much more quickly, and to responses at least once a week. As part of the course, you are free to use the support provided by Mary Washington for students, even in the summer. The syllabus provides information on the Digital Knowledge Center, DKC, Help Desk, and Writing Center, all in the student-friendly Convergence Center next to Simpson Library. Note that you must meet with the Writing Center at least once during the first 2 weeks of the session and at least once in the last 3 weeks. Meetings can be to discuss plans, to review drafts or graded projects, to get help with particular writing issues, for example, semicolons, passive voice, and even Chicago manual documentation. Also available for students is Simpson Library and its very helpful reference librarians, and the Office of Disability Resources. Finally, you need to be aware of all deadlines related to enrollment in the course. Failure to meet them could result in a serious negative impact on your GPA. Consult them in the syllabus, but also through the registrar's webpage. I encourage you to let me know if you have any questions after you review the syllabus carefully, or at any point during the course.